Well, let's unbox a monitor. Hey guys, it's Craig with Squappy's Videos, and today what we're going to be unboxing here is going to be a Lenovo L23i-18. This is actually a 23-inch wide IPS monitor, has a 178-degree viewing angle, resolution of 1920 by 1080. It does come with a stand. As you see, it is from Lenovo, and it is LED backlit. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this guy opened up here. Go ahead and just get the tape and the little tabs undone. Let's start pulling everything out here. So right now, as of filming this, today being Tuesday the 24th of November, this monitor currently is for sale on Lenovo's site for $105.99 after their instant savings. I am also going to go ahead and post a link to Amazon down below as well. You can order it directly through there. It is an affiliate link, and of course those do help out the channel here. So we're going to go ahead and get everything kind of pulled out of the box here. Here we have the power cable. And for some reason, this only came with a VGA cable. As you see, as I'm trying to get everything to focus, it is just a VGA cable. I don't know, it takes HDMI as well, and that's what I'm going to end up using with this, just to show it working. The one thing I was disappointed at with this is that I don't see any options on this monitor to VESA mount, which, you know, in today's climate, it would be better off to have the option to VESA mount it. But it at least does come with the stand. As you see here, the upper right there is going to be basically the arm of the stand, and that big square piece is the base. As you see here, that is the base of the stand. And then there is the arm that holds it in place. Alright, so let's actually get the monitor panel out from the styrofoam here. Whoop, and I almost dropped it. Because that's always good, right? So, we have the screen here. We're going to go ahead and get the protective cover off of the outside of that. It's actually a pretty nice monitor overall. I was really shocked at the overall presentation of it. It is borderless, other than the border at the bottom where it houses all the controls. But let's go ahead and get the mounting hardware hooked up, so that way we actually have a stand to put this together on. Alright, so here we are. We do have the monitor mounting arm. It does go right into here, and it's supposed to just kind of slide and then lock into place. I did have a little bit of troubles with it, so I tried a couple of different ways of actually getting it in, and really I should have just taken the time and actually really paid attention. But once I figured out what I was doing, I just got it to lock into place. There's actually a little mechanism that you can unlock it and lock it, which is kind of hidden with the way I'm filming right now. I'm going to go ahead and get the base out of the plastic as well. We are. So go ahead and just lift up the monitor so I can get the base attached. That way you guys can actually see it here. It just slides right on. So yeah, there's a little plastic locking tab there. You just push on it to undo it. Alright. So we got it on its base. Let's get this hooked up to a computer, everyone, and see how it looks. Well, before we see how it looks, let's actually get it connected to power. So this is actually the power cord. As you see, it is yellow. Granted, that was out of focus. I wanted you guys to focus on the connector. It looks very similar to USB as far as the shape is concerned, but it is also yellow, so at least it is color coded there. And you just plug it right in. As you see, underneath that is the HDMI port and then the VGA port, which in today's day and age, I don't see anybody using VGA. That's just me. All right, let's get this going. Well, I didn't realize everything was going to be out of focus, but go ahead and get everything powered up. As you saw the Lenovo logo, the computer is powering up. Notice the AMD computer that's in the background. Video will be up in the upper right, just as a curious on building a PC. All right. And we're in. So the video quality of this is actually not bad. This is only a 60 hertz panel overall. It is at 1920 by 1080. At this point, I did realize that I never actually installed the Radeon drivers on this computer. So I did do that later, and I was able to go ahead and adjust the refresh rate. As you see, it says that the refresh rate right now is only at 1 hertz. And what you will see in just a second is that we do have 60 hertz now. And here we are. Now that the drivers are installed, it's actually reading everything properly with the monitor. As you see, it is showing 1920 by 1080. It is the Lenovo L23i-18 at 1920 by 1080, 60 hertz. It is an 8-bit color depth. It is only as standard dynamic range, but honestly, this is going to be a great overall monitor to use if you're using this in like a work environment. Heck, if you want to play video games on it, you'll do perfectly fine. Well, anyways, today, guys, that was the Lenovo L23i-18 23-inch monitor. Overall, I do suggest that, if you need a monitor, this will do great. Like I said, it's not a high refresh gaming monitor, but this will do the trick. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't. Hit the thumbs down button if you haven't. Either one. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to purchase this monitor, hit the link below. I will have an Amazon affiliate link down below. See you guys in the next video.